Your next car could be the 2019 Honda Pilot. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Looking for a can-do family SUV? This stylish Pilot delivers a smooth, comfortable passenger experience with seating for up to 8, the latest in safety and connectivity technology, powerful performance, all-wheel drive, and ample cargo space. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: third row seat, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, hands-free liftgate, power liftgate, power passenger seat, premium sound system, lane keeping assist, iPod, MP3 input. Get ready to have some serious family fun in this spacious and powerful Honda Pilot. Drive it and fall in love.